Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off the auto low latency mode on Nintendo Switch 2. This is of course only applicable for having your TV plugged in. In the TV mode, it'll work, and to enable and disable that, go to the settings, then go to display. Now in TV, under TV, at some point you'll find auto low latency mode. You can disable or enable that, and it'll automatically change to the low latency mode when it's supported by the game and I think by the TV. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.